Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to do 3 quick and easy Dollar Tree Valentine's decor. Now, the first one is going to be a heart. And I started to carve out the heart already because I wanted to see if my cylinder, my little glass that I'm putting in, would fit before I started the process. So what you will need for this project is 2 hearts, 2 of the Dollar Tree hearts. You will need 2 of the tea light holders. You will need a vase, a little cylinder. Now I got this from the thrift store and I thought it would be perfect. So you will need something shaped in a cone or even a rounded bottom that you can make the hole wide enough for it to insert. You will need flowers of your choice. I have some Dollar Tree flowers here and some picks. Whatever you decide you want to use. You'll need your wire cutter for your plant, for your flowers, and a knife for your carving. Now I went with the serrated knife. You can use whatever is easier for you. You need some glue sticks and your glue gun. You also need spray paint because I'm thinking I want to go ahead and spray paint my heart in gold. I'm going with gold. All right, so let's get started. I went ahead and glued both hearts together. Then I took my knife, my serrated knife, and cut out the center and the bottom as well because I want it to be able to sit inside. The cylinder is going to go inside of the heart, just like that. So what I want to do is go ahead and spray paint so that my foam can get started with drying. But before I do that, I'm going to flip over my tea light holder. Add a generous amount of glue. So I'm going ahead and cutting pieces of these branches and creating a bouquet for the center vase. So I'm going to choose the piece that I like best. So I decided, because I've got the separation of both of the foam, I'm going to go ahead and add some of the Dollar Tree new gems to this decor. And I want to add some onto the base as well, so it just looks uniform. And it has the adhesive, so just peel it back and go ahead and begin to add it all the way around. Okay guys, so this next DIY is going to be a wreath. Quick, easy, beautiful, and inexpensive. You will need one of the Dollar Tree heart wreath. You'll need a Dollar Tree bird, or any bird of your choice. I had this one already for the Dollar Tree. You will need one of these fairy lights that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. You'll need some yarn of your choice. The Dollar Tree does sell yarn, but I wanted to go with this thicker one to cover more of the area on the wreath. So this one came from Hobby Lobby from $6.99 and 30% off. Really good buy. You'll need your scissors, your glue gun, and your glue sticks. All right guys, let's jump into this DIY. Oh, forgot to mention, you definitely will need some pearls. I'm going with this one from Hobby Lobby, and I like it because I've worked with it several times and loved the outcome of it. It's the Studio His and Hers, and it's $6.99 and 50% off. Guys, the Dollar Tree fairy light is not long enough, so I went ahead and traded out for a much longer light because I wanted to go all the way around. You want to go ahead and divide your pearls in half, and then just tuck them underneath the twinkling lights all the way around on both sides, so that your pearl will be hanging on top of your wreath. I absolutely love the way that these turned out, especially the centerpiece, but instead of spray painting, use acrylic paint. DIY is going to be a romantic heart-shaped wreath. You will need lots of ribbons, whatever ribbon of your choice. I've got various ones in this bag. You'll also need sizes as well, large ribbons as well, and lace. So I went ahead and created a bow with this lace that I've been sharing with you guys. You also need some Dollar Tree burlap with the little lace on top of that as well. You will need some rope, and I've shared this rope with you before. I got from Hobby Lobby. You will need some flowers, and these little paper flowers came from Michael's. I got them for 99 cents at Michael's. You will also need some paper, and I'm going with the musical sheet paper from Hobby Lobby. You get 4 of them for $1. You'll need some Dollar Tree foam board because you need to create a heart and cut it out. You will need your scissors, and you'll also need to get a razor and your glue gun and your glue sticks. You definitely need a pen so you could trace your heart out, whatever size you want. Now that you've got your heart from the foam board, you will need to trace that heart onto your sheet of paper. So you're going to go ahead, trace that out, and cut it out. Guys, I hope you like the way all the DIYs turned out. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends.